Because there is a kasra here, Sister Nasreen, who will become he? Remember, we had studied. Why? Who became he? Because there is a kasra before, you know. Remember? We say fi, he, and we don't say fi, who, like that. Huh? Okay? Kita, min kita, be he, not min kita, be who. We don't say that, you know. So, the question is, brothers and sisters, where did his mother go? So we will say she went to his aunt. Whose aunt? Ibrahim's aunt. So how will you write it? ذهبت إلى خالته. Got the idea? ذهبت إلى خالته. Very good, brother. If you want to, you can put Zainab. Khalatihi Zainabah. Put it Zainabah if you want. That's fine. No harm there. Okay? And then again Zainabah is Badal. Badal. Zahabat ila khalatihi Zainab. You can say that. Okay. Mata raja Ibrahimu min al madrasati raja'a Ibrahimu. So where is the file of raja'a? Ibrahimu. Remember, file is always marfu. And once you know all these things, it's easy in the Quran for you to figure out where the file is, you know. You will have a better understanding of the construction of the sentences in the Quran, inshallah. Mata raja'a. So what will be your answer? Raja'a, he returned. Raja'a ba'da al-hissatil ula. Ba'da al-hissatil ula. Remember. Fine, brother. Now next is very simple and easy. Dr. Abdurrahim would like to test us whether we understood the sentences or not. Okay? Ibrahimu Ibnu Ukhti Yusufa. Is it correct? Ibrahim is the son of sister of Yusuf. Is it correct? No, this is correct. This sentence is correct. Ibrahimu, brothers and sisters, what is Ibrahimu? Mubtada. Where is khabar? Ibnu. Okay. Ibnu is your khabar, wa huwa mudaf. And where is mudaf ilayhi? Ukhti. And then ukhti is a mudaf, and Yusufa is mudaf ilayhi, because it's diptote. Got the idea? Did you get it, brother Hassan? Ibnu ukhti Yusufa. How many words are there? 3. So Ibnu is first, it is khabar. Wa huwa mudaf. And where is mudaf ilayhi? Ukhti. And then again there is another noun after ukhti. So ukhti becomes in turn mudaf, and Yusuf becomes mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? Yusufu ammu Ibrahima. Is it correct? No, this is wrong. Yusufu khalu Ibrahima. Yusufu khalu Ibrahima. Akhwatu Ibrahima. See, this is mudaf ilayhi. Akhwatu Ibrahima zahabna ila al-maktabati. Is it correct? Where did they go? Zahabna ila al-madrasati. They did not go to library, they went to the school. Fine, brother. Ikhwatu Ibrahima, again mudaf ilayhi. Brothers of Ibrahim. Zahabu, see how the verbs are used. Zahabna, and then zahabu. Ila al-jamiyati. Is it correct? Yes, this is correct. Ibrahimu ma zahaba ila tabibi. Ibrahim, he did not go to the doctor. Is it correct? It's wrong. Brother, look at the sentence, just for the fun of it. We are going to analyze it. Ibrahimu mubtada. Where is the khabar? Khabar is jumla failure. What is ma? Harfu nafi. What is ma? Particle of negation. And then what is zahaba? Fi'al. Where is the file? Mustatir. He went. Mustatir. And then ila tabibi, jar majrur shubu jumla. So where is, no. The whole jumla zahaba ila tabibi is the khabar. And how will you say khabar? Jumlatul fi'aliyatu. What is it? Jumlatul fi'aliyatu coming as a khabar. Do not get confused, brother. Now, put in the, brothers and sisters, this is the real halwa puri. Put in the exercise suitable verb form of zahaba. You know the 14 forms of zahaba. So put the suitable form of zahaba, okay, in the empty spots. Okay? Fine. This is very easy, brother. Very, very easy. You can score 100 points in it, inshallah. Al-awladu zahabu khalas. Again, just to point out to you, al-awladu mubtada. Where is our khabar? Zahabu. What is zahabu then? Jumla failure. This is how it is coming. Khabar is coming as a jumla failure. Fine. Al-awladu zahabu. Where is the file of zahabu? Wow. Ilal mal'abi. Mal'abi is the playground. The boys went to the playground. Okay, brother? At-talibatu zahabna. We know it, brother. Zahabna ilal madrasati. So again, zahabna ilal madrasati is a jumla fi'liya coming as a khabar. Fine. Al-mudarrisu zahaba khalas, brother. Ana zahab khalas. Ukhti, now muannas, brother. My sister, ukhti, 2 words. Ukhti mudaf and ya mudaf ilayhi. So ukhtu, brothers and sisters, I would say ukhtu mudaf and ya mutakallam mudaf ilayhi. What is ukhtu? Mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf and ya mutakallam mudaf. What kind of a verb will we use? Zahabat. Because it is muannas, 3rd person. Ukhti zahabat ilal matbakhi. She went to the kitchen. Ay anta. Aina zahabta. Aina zahabta. Where did you go? Aina zahabta? Anta. Suppose it was anti. What would you say? Aina zahabti anti. Got the idea? Isn't this simple, brother? I hope you find it extremely simple. Inshallah. Yes, indeed. Now is our test, brother. I want you to pass in this test. The verbs are wrong. The verb form is incorrect. We have to put the correct form of verb. Again, it is very easy. You know why? Because we are only dealing with zahaba. So it's very easy. And maybe raja, which also we did it, inshallah. So, you are asking Ya Muhammad. So what will you tell him? The verb is zahabtu. Is that correct? What it should be? Khalas, that's all. See, now your mind can figure out that that is wrong. Zahabtu is I. We are asking Muhammad, where did you go? Or did you go to the hospital? Did you go to the hospital? So we will say, Azahab ta. Very good. Now, brothers and sisters, Aminatu wa Fatimatu wa Zainabu. Now this makes it into plural. Plural. 3. Huh? Okay. So Raja'u, what is Raja'u? That is masculine. But these are all feminine. So what will you say? Raja'na. Remember sukoon there, right? Raja'na. Khalas. They returned from Jamia. Number 3, Zumala'i. What is Zumala'i? My colleagues. Masculine, brother. So what kind of a verb is this? Zumala'i Zahabu. Zumala'i Zahabu illa Makkata. I down Makkata. Diptote. Ana Rajata. What will be Ana? Rajatu, mashallah. Ana Rajatu min al-riyadi amsi. What is amsi, brother? Zarf. Zarfu zaman. Yesterday. Amsi is Zarfu zaman. Now look at it, brothers and sisters. Maryamu wa banatuha. What is it, brother? Maryamu wa banatuha. What it should be? Zahabna, not Zahabat. Zahabna. Got the idea, brother Muhammad? Yes. Alhamdulillah. Illa Juddata. Juddata. Fine, brother. Okay, now this is, remember, brother, Qala, he said. Can we conjugate little bit of Qala? Ready? Qala, Qala, Qalu, Qalat, Qalata. That's enough. Huh? Because we will do the rest in the end of book 2. Okay, brother? So, Ummi. Huh? So what will be the verb now? Qalat. It has to be qalat because our mind now can figure out. Ummi qalat. What did she say? Ana. Is this correct? What will she say? Maridatun. See, now our mind figures out that khabar has to match mubtada. Ana in this case is muannas. So khabar has to be muannas. MashaAllah. But this way we'll finish the book by tonight, inshallah. Okay. Okay. Here are we, brothers and sisters. Ajib. Answer the question with negation using ma. What is the sentence, brothers and sisters? Azahabta ilal madrasati amsi. Did you go to school yesterday? You got to say no. What will be your answer? La. And then you will say ma zahabtu khalas. That's all you are going to answer. Zahabta became zahabtu. I did not go. Araja'a abuka min Baghdad. Araja'a abuka min Baghdad. What will you say? La. And how will you use now? Ma. No, brother, if we're talking about the father. So, ma raja'a khalas. He did not return. Ma raja'a. Now the file is a pronoun. Means he did not return. If you want to use file as a, then you will say ma raja'a abi. Abuka became abi. Got the idea? Inshallah. Okay. Azahabat ukhtuka ila al-mustashfa. See, raja, abu is the file there. Remember, abuka. Okay. Now, azahabat ukhtuka. Where is the file? Ukhtu. Huh? Okay, fine. Now, ukhtuka, it is your sister. Now you will say my sister. But you don't want to use my sister. You just want to use the pronoun. So what will you say? La. Ma zahabat. Khalas, that is, answer is sufficient. Ma. What about second? Araja abuka min Baghdad? La. Ma raja. Khalas. He did not return. It is understood. The rest of the sentence is understood. Zahabat ukhtuka. Ilal mustashfa, did your sister go to mustashfa? What is your answer? La. Ma zahabat, because muannas. Ta'ammal, ma yali, ponder what follows. Li anna, see li plus anna. And what does it say? Wa anna min akhwatu inna. Do you get it? But highlight it, brother. What will you highlight it? Anna wa anna min akhwatu inna. Only that. Wa anna min akhwatu inna. That's all you should highlight. Wa anna. Okay, that's all, brother. So li anna, wo, brother. Dr. Sahib has given here 4. Li annahu, li annaha, li annaka. Let us do 14. Ready? Li annahu, li annahuma, li annahum, li annaha, li annahuma, li annahunna, li annaka, li annakuma, li annakum, li annaki, li annakuma, li annakunna, li annani, and then li annana. Khalas, brother. Easy. What did you do now? We just did anna plus the damir as a ismu anna mansubun. Got the idea? When you say li annahu, anna min akhwatu inna. What is who? Ismu anna. Ismu anna mansub. Khalas. That's all. Raja'a hamidun min al madrasati. Where is the file of raja'a? See, now it is mawjud. It is mawjud in the sentence. So you remember only huwa and hiya in these two forms. Only in huwa and hiya the file can be mustatir or can be mawjud in the sentence. So raja'a hamidun, hamidun is your file. Min al madrasati, he returned from the school. Why? Because he is sick. Li annahu maridun. Now, raja'at aminatu, where is the file? Aminatu min al madrasati li annaha, because she is. Are you with me? Li annaha means because she is maridatun. Now it is maridatun. I hope you will remember this, okay? That the mubtada and the khabar, they agree with each other for gender. What is it for? Gender. Muannas, muannas. Muzakkar, muzakkar. So li annaha. So ha is a muannas ismu anna. So the khabar has to match ha. Okay? Rajatu min al madrasati. I returned from the school. Why? Li'annani maridatun. So it depends. If the muzakkar is saying this statement, he will say li'annani maridun. If a muannas is saying this sentence, then she will say li'annani maridatun. Fine, brothers and sisters. Now we come to Azhabta ila al-madrasati amsi. See, this is a statement, no negation. Zahabta ila al-madrasati amsi. What is the answer? Naam, zahabtu. Fi'al fa'il. What Dr. Abdurrahim now wants us to know, how to use bala. What is it, brothers and sisters? How to use bala as an answer. Okay. Ama zahabta ila al-madrasati amsi. Didn't you go to the school yesterday? Now if your answer is an affirmation, yes, I went. What will you say? Bala. Zahabtu. Yes, indeed, I went. Are you with me? Now you got to find out the answer. Araja'a abuka minasuki araja'a. Translate, brother, the question. Araja'a abuka minasuki. Did your father? No negation. Did your father? What will your answer? Naam. Then? No, brother, raja'tu, then I returned. Raja'a. Raja'a, khalas. He returned. Huh? Okay, fine. Now, ama raja'a. How will you translate this? Did not your father return from the souk? What will be your answer now? Bala. And raja'a. Bala, raja'a. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? If you want to highlight just the negation part of it, just the negation part of it, then you know it is negation in the question. And if you have other color of highlighter, then you can use the other color for statement, you know. Now, brother and sister, number 3. How will you read the sentence? Layla is there. So what is our Layla there? Fa'il, mashallah, mashallah. How will you say? Azahabat Layla ilal jamiyati. Translation, brother and sister. Azahabat Layla ilal jamiyati. Translation. Did Layla go to the jamia? What is the answer? Naam. Zahabat. Very good. She went. Not zahabtu or zahabti. Zahabat. She went. Now the next question, brother. Ama zahaba. Okay, negation. Ma zahaba akhuka. So where is the file of zahaba? Akhu. Mudaf, mudafili. Ama zahaba akhuka ila riyadi. Translation, brother? Didn't your brother go to Riyadh? Bala. And then Zahaba. Yes, he went. Yes, indeed he went. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Father, I told you this way we'll finish the book by tonight. Did you find any difficulty in the lesson? I told you it was easy. Why? Because you worked hard with your conjugation. Are you with me? You know exactly what form of verb to use. Okay, and you know where the file was. That made things very easy, inshallah. Now, remember, this knowledge that we have gained, we will apply with the different verbs. Lesson number 5, brother, is very, very important and very beautiful and a new concept. Why don't we have a tea break now so that there is no interruption? There is no interruption after our thing. We will carry on, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, we are back from our break. Now we will start lesson number 5. Now remember, I told you earlier that in book 1 we had only 4 verbs. Only 4 verbs. Now from this lesson onwards, the floodgates of verbs are open. Now verbs will come from every side. Okay? They will come like a big flood now. From left, from right, from up, from down, the verbs will come now. And you have to understand their meaning. Okay? Again, they are simple because it is all Madi. We are still doing Madi till lesson number 9. And remember, all these things that we practiced, the 14 forms, now you have to remember which form to use according to the file. Inshallah. Now, in English, brothers and sisters, there are 2 kinds of verbs. I will write down on the board. if you can remember the Arabic term, well and good. If you don't, just remember transitive and intransitive for the time being. The intransitive verb, brother and sister, the sense is complete with the verb and the subject. When they are used in the sentence, you get a complete sense. For example, Hamid sat. What will we say in Arabic? Jalasa Hamidun. Jalasa fi'al, Hamidun fa'il. So fi'al and fa'il, they are both happy with each other. We get a complete sense. Zahaba Hamidun, Hamid went. Kharaja Hamidun, Hamid exited. Raja Hamidun, Hamid returned. Are you with me, brother? We get a complete sense out of it, you know. But if I say to you, Fataha Hamidun, what is the meaning? Opened what? Are you with me? You did not get a complete sentence. Did he open the door of the car? Did he open the door of the classroom? Did he open a window? Did he open his book? You don't know. Are you with me? So did you get a complete sense? No, you did not get a complete sense. You needed something else in the sentence to be mentioned in order to get a complete picture. So what do you need? Something else to complete the picture is you need an object. What is it, brother? You need an object. Okay? And what is the Arabic of object? Maf'ulun bihi. That's all. This you must memorize. Maf'ulun bihi. Maf'ulun bihi. Okay? Bihi is jar majrur, remember. Okay? Not bihu, but bihi. Because there is a kasra there. Okay? Fine, brothers and sisters? Now, how do we know whether the verb is transitive or intransitive? Yeah, if it needs object or not. You ask question. Either ask what or you ask whom. When you ask a verb this question, and if you get an answer, yes, okay, then it means there is an object needed. If you cannot get any answer, by using what and whom, then it means the verb is intransitive. It does not need an object. If I say, Hamid sat, ask a question. What? It doesn't fit. Whom? Doesn't fit. So it means it does not need it. Hamid sat, fine, very good. So jalasa Hamidun. Now I say to you, Shariba Hamidun. Hamid drank. Drank what? So now everything fits. The question fits. Drank what? So then you need an object. Shariba Hamidun al-ma'a, ashaya, al-kahwa, asir al-burtukal, orange juice. You know? Are you with me? Khalaqallahu. Khalaqallahu. Allah created. Created what? Then you need an object. Are you with me? Khalaqallahu al-insana. Then you need an object. And that object will always be mansoob. What will it be now? See, now we are coming in the mansoob forms. It will come from everywhere now. Huh? So object will always be mansoob. Shariba Hamidun al-ma'a. Ashaya. Al-kahwa ta. Are you with me? Asira. Okay? You will always have this. Okay? Now, the same thing will be if I say Amina, then I will say Sharibat Aminatu al-ma'a. Sahi? Sharibat Aminatu al-ma'a. So do you see maf'ulun bihi coming? And maf'ulun bihi will always be mansoob. Always be mansoob. Mansoob. Okay? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, so these are the things. Daraba Hamidun. What did I say? Daraba Hamidun. What is the meaning of this? Hit. No, here whom will come? Hit whom? He must have hit somebody. Daraba Hamidun al-walada. Hamid hit the boy. Or say Hamid hit Muhammad. So what will you say? Daraba Hamidun Muhammadan. Muhammadan. Why dan? Because maf'ulun bihi is always mansoob. Got the idea? Maf'ulun bihi is always mansoob. Fahima Muhammadun. Fahima Muhammadun. What is the meaning of Fahima Muhammadun? Understood. Understood what? Then you say ad-darsa. Kataba. Now let us use muannas. Katabat Aminatu. Katabat Aminatu. What is the translation? Wrote what? Letter. A-risala ta. A-risala ta. Why ta? Why mansoob? Because maf'ulun bihi. Sister Sumayya, maf'ulun bihi will be mansoob. Now you can look in the Quran and you will see, inshallah. So if there is a transitive verb, there will be maf'ulun bihi. If there is an intransitive verb, then the fi'l and fa'il are very happy with themselves. They don't need anything else. But when it is transitive verb, then the fi'l and fa'il cannot give you a complete sense unless you bring an object. Are you with me, brother? That is all we have to do now. Now, look at this, brother. When the pronoun joins a noun, what do you get? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Okay. And when the pronoun joins harf jar, what do you get? Jar majrur. And when the pronoun joins zarf, what do you get? Zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Remember that? Okay. When the pronoun joins a noun, you get mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. When the pronoun joins preposition, we get jarun wa majrurun. When the pronoun joins a zarf, we get zarf wa mudaf ilayhi. Now this is what we learned in book 1. Now we go one step more, and there is no song for it.
Until you think of one. Until you think.
What is it, brother? When the pronoun joins a verb, when the pronoun joins a verb. What do you get? Mafulun bihi. Are you with me? Now with the verb, that pronoun becomes mansoob because mafulun bihi is mansoob. When the pronoun joined the noun, it became mudaf ilayhi. So it means pronoun was mudaf ilayhi majroor. Sahi? When the pronoun joins preposition, you get jarun wa majroor. So pronoun became majroor. And when the pronoun joins zarf, you get zarf and mudaf ilayhi. So mudaf ilayhi is majroor. But now when the pronoun joins the verb, we get object. And objects are all mansoob. So then that pronoun is mansoob now. Are you with me? Okay. So, are you with me? Okay, now here is the verb. Brother, I'm just giving you an idea. Here is the verb. What is it? Sa'ala. What is the meaning of sa'ala? He asked. Are you with me? He asked. He asked. Whom did he ask? He has to ask somebody. Are you with me? So I say, I asked. How will I say I asked? Sa'altu. What will I say? Sa'altu. Fine. Is this correct? This is your verb, sa'al. And then comes your fa'il. Sa'altu. I asked. You asked whom? Okay? Okay, now let us put the pronouns. Let's put the pronouns. Just put the pronouns. Sa'altuhu. What is the meaning of sa'altuhu? I asked him. Are you with me? I asked him. Okay? And then make it sa'altuhuma. I asked two of them. Sa'altuhum. I asked them. Are you with me? I asked her. Sa'altuha. And two of them. Sa'altuhuma. I asked all the ladies. Sa'altuhunna. I asked you. Sa'altuka. I asked two of you. Sir, I asked all of you. I asked you. Sa'altuki. Are you with me? Sa'altuki. And then two of you. Sa'altukuma. And then if I say, I asked all the ladies in front of me, Sa'altukunna. I asked myself. Sir, now here there is a little trick. There is a little trick. But I will tell you and repeat it later on. Okay, brothers and sisters? Sa'altuhu, then hum, ka, all these things, ha will come. Okay? Now, we are doing verbs. Are you with me? I'm giving you a hint. And I'll repeat it. If you don't get it now, don't worry. Okay, brother. Here is the verb. What is the verb? Sa'al tu. If I put ya mutakallim here, what will happen now? Sa'alti. Brother? I ruined the verb. What did I do? Because sa'alti is a, tu is I, ti is anti. Are you with me? Ti is, aren't you? Sa'alti. Remember? Let us conjugate sa'ala. Sa'ala, sa'ala, sa'alu, sa'alat, sa'alata, sa'alna, sa'alta, sa'altuma, sa'altum, sa'alti, sa'altuma, sa'altunna, sa'altu, sa'alna. So if I put ya mutakallim, then it will immediately make it into sa'alti. No, I ruined the verb. The verb got ruined, brother. No, I got to protect that verb. Whenever ya mutakallim will come, I know her habit. She has a habit. आदत से मजबूर है ये. आप समझे? आप आदत से मजबूर है. We have to safeguard the verb. We got to protect it. So what do I do? Look at it very carefully, brother. I say sa'al tu, and then I put something very peculiar and important. Noon. What I put? Na. Noon, I put noon. And then I say, okay, I'll put ya mutakallim now. So what will be? It will become sa'altu ni. Are you with me? So by putting that noon, I'm telling ya mutakallim, you can give as much kasras as you want to the noon, but don't touch the verb. I'm protecting the verb. So what is this noon doing? Protecting the verb from getting kasra, because it will ruin the verb. Are you with me? So what shall we call this noon? Protector. Yes. What do you call this noon? Protector. What do we call in a proper way? Noon of protection. And what do you say in Arabic? Noonul vikayati. Noonul vikaya. What do you call it? Noonu vikaya. Okay, I will write down. What did I write down, brother? Can you see? What do you see on the board? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Noon of protection. What did I write? It is protector. What did I write, Brother Hassan? Noonul vikaya. Noon of protection. Now, this is what is very important. Are you with me? When will you use noon of protection? It will be used most of the time with ya mutakallam, or maybe always for ya mutakallam. Because ya mutakallam will give kasra. So you will have to use noon to safeguard the verb from getting ruined. Because sa'altu is what I want to say. I asked. And then you will have to say ni. I asked myself. Okay. No problem. Saltuna. Saltuna. We asked ourselves. Are you with me? Only in ya mutakallim, nunu vikaya has to be used to protect the verb from getting ruined. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. In most of the verbs, brother, the pronoun will be either, who or ha. Who or ha. Okay? But remember, as I said to you, that when the pronoun joins a noun, you get mudaf mudaf ilayhi. When the pronoun joins preposition, you get jar majroor. When a pronoun joins zarf, you get zarf and mudaf ilayhi. When the pronoun joins a verb, then you get maf'ulun bihi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters?